It's lunchtime. Lunchtime.
Like greeting. Like greeting on the lunchtime.
Kain na tayo. Kain po.
Kain po.
Yan yung mga ano ng mga...
Let's eat.
Let's eat.
Okay, kain.
Kain.
po.
K-E-K-I-N. K-E-I-N.
Yeah.
Po.
Let's eat. Kain na tayo.
Kain tayo.
Let's
Kain po tayo. Para lahat.
kain po tayo. T-A-Y-O.
Yes.
Na.
Let's eat.
Let's eat.
So it could be discussed with a group of people. When you have a group of people, you say kain po tayo.
You're inviting them, like, you know, kain po tayo.
Ang pagkain mo isang plato lang.
So
kumain nga
when you say kain po tayo, so it's left with them to say thank you, right? Maybe they do not want to eat.
Yeah.
So we say salamat po.
Salamat po.
Salamat
No,
po.
thanks.
You want to invite them. Like you're eating and then you're passing by, isn't it?
Kain po Filipino.
Po tayo. Kain po tayo. Come on, eat. So it's left with them to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Another one is kamusta, or you know,
Kamusta. That's how
magandang
it is.
umaga, kamusta.
Kamusta.
Good morning.
Like-
How are you?
But
like
in Spanish is kamusta.
yeah, kamusta.
But in
Kamusta.
Tagalog is kamusta. Kamusta.
K-A-M-U.
Musta.
Kamus is joint. So K-A-M-U-S-T-A.
Yes.
Kamusta.
Magandang umaga. Kamusta ka po?
Kamusta ka po?
How are you? But it is in a polite way to do it.
Kamusta ka po? So that means, how are you?
Tira pa talaga sa kamay niya.
Ayaw niya mamamilan. But that's the polite way to
Yeah,
do it. Magandang umaga.
maganda umaga. Kamusta ka po? Magandang umaga. Kamusta ka po? Kapo. Kamusta ka po?
How are you?
So that's how are you, right?
Yeah.
Teacher Derek.
Yeah.
Okay.
How are you?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I need 3 things so that it can be 40.
Kumain ka na ba?
You ask if you Did you eat?
Did you eat? Yeah. Kumain ka na ba?
Kumain.
Ka na ba? There's a question mark.
Yeah, kumain.
In ka
Kana.
space
Kana.
ka space na space ba.
Okay.
Like you're typing in cellphone.
Yeah,
Ba.
Ba.
Question mark.
There's a question mark. Yeah.
Did you eat?
Yeah. Did you
Or
eat?
have you eaten?
Yeah.
So let me use the word have you eaten.
Ilan pang kulang?
Ano pangalan mo?
Yun. Yun, alam niyo yung ano kanina. Ano? Ang.
Ano?
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 Ang.
An.
Ano? Ang pangalan mo. Okay, let's ano? Ano?
Ano first? Ano?
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 Space ang
I-N-G.
A-N.
A.
Yeah.
N.
G. Ang pangalan.
Space.
Oh, yeah, space. Pa. Pa.
Paki.
Ano ang pangalan mo?
Pa. Nga.
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 N-G.
Yeah, NG. Ah. Panga. Ha. Ha.
At the back of the G.
Yeah. Lan. Lan. Mo.
Space.
Yeah, space. It means what is your name?
Question mark.
Question mo.
Okay.
What is your
okay.
name?
What is your name?
Ano ang pangalan mo?
Saan ka nakatira? Last one.
Ano ang
Pangalan.
Lamu.
Oh, yeah.
So then what like my name is? So how will I be?
Ang pangalan ko ay ang
Ang pangalan.
pangalan ko ay and no AY. Then tell it your name.
Ay. Pastor Justin.
And if someone asking you that ano ang pangalan mo?
So question mark will be there, right? No question mark will be there.
No.
Answer, right?
Yeah.
So my name,
Anong pangalan?
Saan ka nakatira?
My name is
Pastor Joseph.
Where did you live?
Okay. So
Sporty?
ang pangalan
Lan.
ko
Ang pangalan ko ay
ang pangalan ko ay Pastor Justin.
Justin.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Stop there.
Yes.